Good morning, children. All of you open your grammar. Page number 19. 20 and 21 today will complete. Okay? Pronouns. Here. Types of pronouns. Pronouns, a word used in place of a name. That is a pronoun. I already explained you. હવે જો આગળ now we will continue. Write the correct interrogative pronouns from the brackets. Here I have given all the answers. I'll read for you. Whose is this torn shoe? Which of these toys belong to your children? Whom did you leave your books with? Who has broken the glass of the window? What are you going to sing for us today? What is your favorite color? Okay. Now form a question using each of the given interrogative pronouns. Who? I've written all the answers for you. You have to copy down. Okay. Who is making noise? What is your name? Whom did you call? Whose book is this? Which is your pencil? Now these sentences you can write your own also. If you know. If you don't know, copy down my answers. Okay. The words that stand for a noun whose number is not known or specified are called indefinite pronouns. Some, most, all, one, etc. are indefinite pronouns. That means we cannot count them. Everybody appreciated the actor's performance. Everybody. Now how many were there we don't know. Most of the grapes in the bunch were ripe. All of us went to visit him. Some of his books were good, but others were quite dull. Okay, now page number 19. Turn here. Words that refer to a single noun, one noun, or a group, full group, but one group, one at a time, are called distributive pronouns. Each, either, neither, etc. are distributive pronouns. Each of the boys got a cricket bat. Neither of the police officers believed her story. Either of the places would be great for a holiday. Now here the words are given and filled for you. Okay, I'll read for you. Number 1. Keep your fingers here, everybody. And see with me. Forget the blue dress. I like the purple one. She could sense that somebody was in the house. I met everybody in my neighborhood and all of them seemed nice. Nobody in the office volunteered to move to Kolkata. Most of the people in Pakistan are Muslims. All of us were surprised at his promotion. She said that she could not trust either of us. She could not trust either of us. From 2, she can trust none. Some of the girls want to play cricket with the boys. Each of the participants was given a certificate. None of his paintings has anything special about it. Many of the children suffered from malnutrition. Neither of the candidates was selected as they did not meet the requirements. Now we'll do page number 21. Now words that refer or relate to a noun preceding it are called relative pronouns. Sometimes they also act as conjunctions. I ate the ice cream that was in the freezer. Dina is the girl who won the painting competition. It will precede. That means it will be in front of the noun. He is the boy. Which boy? Whose wrist was hurt during the game. Not who becomes whom in the objective case and whose in the possessive case. Now join the given sentences using the correct relative pronoun. One has been done for you. She found the ring. She had lost the ring. Okay? She found the ring that she had lost. This is the painting. The painting was made by my mother. This is the painting that my mother made. We rang for the bellboy. The bellboy came at once. Now see children. We rang for the bellboy. For the bellboy. Right? Now we have to join these sentences. The bellboy came at once. Alright. Now how will we write this answer? We rang for the bellboy. Same. First part same. Now again second time the bellboy here. This we have to remove. In place of this we will put who. Who came at once. All the sentences are like this only. See next one. She arranged the flowers. The flowers were given by her mother. She arranged the flowers which were given by her mother. He is the security guard. He is known for strictly following the rules. He is the security guard who is known for strictly following the rules. This is the team. The team won the inter-school football match. This is the team that won the inter-school football match. Now all these children you will all copy down. So this chapter is completed. Follow me? Okay, so bye. We meet in the next video.